Hello my viewers, today I'm going to show you the way you can earn money, transcription, and with this one you can be capable of earning $800 per month, which is a very good thing. So I'm going to start by showing off some companies of transcription that are not hiring so far as I know, and just to let you know that if you go to these companies, you're not going to be hired. Like, they are not even accepting hires. I've tried them and they're not. So one of them is Word. This is one of the toughest one. That was in Uganda, that was in Africa. It was one of the best companies that was called with transcription. They could just take a short test for you, and then this test was, I think, for me, I did a test for like 5 minutes and I was done, and I passed it, and I got a job, I got work. I worked in one day. I got I think $20 already to work on. So this was one of the top companies, but they're not hiring. As you see, they don't have their registration form, which will appear here. So don't go wasting your time on this company right now. I will let you know if they go back. The other one is what are castingwords. Castingwords is not hiring at all. This company, if you want to actually, I don't know, but if you want to register with them, let's just start from here. So if you want to register with this company and you're on their homepage here, you might be lost, and you don't know where to start from because they actually don't have anything here. So what you do is you have to look around and like find the best option you can actually start, and for you to get where you sign up from is your freelancer. Most of these jobs are freelancer jobs. So someone may be wondering now, what are you showing us? So I'm showing you transcription. If you're new to this channel and you don't know what we do, we show people how you can make money as a college student, as a broke person looking for a job, a person that is not satisfied with his job, you want a second job. This is the channel for you. But this channel is not going to make a very rich person within a night. You have to work hard for it to get there. But everything in the channel is tested and proven to work. So just be there and watch all the videos I give you. I provide videos on affiliate marketing, simple jobs like website design, where to get the job, how to get started, videos of just encouragement financially. Yeah, so today we are specifically talking about this one here, Scribie. Scribie is a website that is working, is hiring, and you see here, this is audio and video transcription. And so for you to get started here, you have to again look for where freelancer is. See, and freelancer is right here on the bottom. So when you click on that, you see here freelance transcription. Work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automatic transcripts for you to save you around 60% of your typing effort. So this is a very good company. It has worked for me. The first time I think I registered for this company, I registered for them like very many times so that I want to test how they work, how fast they work. So the process, what is transcription? Listen, correct, get paid. Very simple. Under listen, there is requirements. That's listening skills, abilities, to be able to comprehend English, good comprehension of English, apply text, identify mistakes and correct them automatically. Then you get paid, of course, $5 to $20 per hour. This one goes to your verified PayPal account. Verified PayPal account means that you need to create a business PayPal account that has a connection to your bank. There are so many ways you can do that. As long as even in Africa here, PayPal has become, I think, started to accept the banks now to connect to their PayPal. So here, beginner here, you see you earn $400 per month. Intermediate, you earn $800 per month. Advanced, you earn $160 per month. And this is very good. Good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes. A verified PayPal account, as I said before, computer, laptop, or internet connection, headsets, and or headphones, doesn't matter. This company has stayed in business for a while now, and payouts are in 1 million payouts now. You see, as certified transcribers are here. You see, very many people, very many reasons to sign up, work at home. Of course, you get paid for that. It's not for free. So automated transcription, like there are softwares that are going to help you up to actually transcribe. You don't have to waste a lot of time. So this is a very good company. Work at your own convenience. So you work on your own obligations. If you want to work for 1 hour, they allow that. If you want to work for 10 minutes, they allow that. In your free time, even if you have a job, you can do this kind of work. So you don't have to give yourself an excuse. Monthly bonuses are 5 for every 3 hours that you complete each month. So this is a very good website. All you have to do is click here and say sign up. Then they're going to make you to fill this form. Of course, I've seen people where you choose here type is transcriber. Yeah. So you fill out this form, but for you choose you want to earn money. I want to be a transcriber and earn money. Then you take this, fill in the forms here, your email address, and make sure you get a PayPal account that is verified. If you don't know how to do that, please watch my video. I have my videos here. Just let me open them. But I teach people all these things, and if you don't understand even the video, just make sure that you leave a text message below, and I'll get back to you. My channel is called Mr. Money Jr. and literally this is what I do. I teach people what is simple for them. Transcription job has become a little tricky. They give you a test to do, and you do a test over and over and over again, and you fail. This is one of the best ones. One of the one I was telling you I liked was QA World. QA World was very simple. They had just like a 5-second test video that you could do, and you pass. Everyone passed. This is one of them again. Go transcribe is hard. It's very hard. Like it's very hard. So what I encourage you again, don't just apply for only this one. I have very many companies that have showcased in my videos. So apply to all that you see there, so that you get a chance of getting more money. You see, if you get paid $1,600, that's a lot of money per month. That is for advance, remember, but you can stick for 800. Yeah, 800 per month, which is good for us. And this one here, me, I can settle for this one, and you don't complain. Yeah, settle. Even this one here is not bad. Daily working hours are 8. Yeah, this one 8 hours. So it's not a bad one. So you can work at night after getting back from your job. So let's do this. Sign up. Do the test. If they don't give you a test, just you're like a man. Just do the job and get paid this money here. Yeah, and if you've been in this industry for a while, you'll get paid this money here, $1,600 or $1,600. So yes, that is what I have for you today. Bye. Subscribe to my channel, get views up, and let's rank the video. Thank you. Bye.